Hello everybody, Chris here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to recreate a boomerang effect inside of DaVinci Resolve 14. So what I mean by boomerang is where an action will occur and then the action will reverse. Like a boomerang, you throw it out and it comes back. Now whether you want it to go out and come back only once, or if you want it to occur multiple or many times, is totally up to you, but you use the same technique in order to do it inside of DaVinci Resolve. So let's go ahead and get started. So first off, you'll have to find a clip where an action is occurring. So for instance, right here I have a bird taking a sip out of a water bowl, and what we can have it do is it takes the sip and then it comes back out and then it goes back in and it comes back out. That's generally how boomerang effects tend to go. So the only thing we care about is this particular clip. So I'm going to make my cuts before. Now the second cut, you're going to want to make that where the action has occurred, but it hasn't necessarily undone itself. So when we reverse it, it's going to look something like this, where the bird takes its head out in the exact same way it put it in. So these other clips, we don't actually care about those right now. So I'm going to cut those away. Now at a very, very simple level, we can just copy this clip in front of it, and then right-click it, go to change clip speed, and make this -100%. This will give you a boomerang effect at normal speed. So let's go ahead and play that back here. So currently it probably looks pretty normal. If you want it to repeat itself, what we can do is copy these two clips right past where the second clip has ended, and paste it in and paste it in. And now if we play it back, it's going to repeat that loop 3 times, which might be what you're looking for. Now, if you actually want to add in slow down or speed up effects, then what we should do is delete these extra clips and change the speed of the first and the second clip, the normal speed and the reverse normal speed. So we'll go back into right-click, change clip speed. I'll make this 200%. If you want to make it double speed, you could also make it 50% for a half speed, 25% for a quarter speed. You get the idea. I would recommend you have ripple sequence checked, because what ripple sequence would do is automatically adjust the actual length of the clip to reflect the change in the speed. So if I hit change here, you see that it got cut in half because the speed is going twice as fast. So it should take half the time, right? Now, we're also going to need to do it over here for the reverse. So I'm going to change this to -200%. And now we can play it back, and it'll be the same clip. It's just going twice as fast. So we can copy that a few more times. Cool. So if you want to do what I did in the beginning of this video, then what we would need to do is just add on some extra clips here, where we're actually going to make the speed go 4 times and eventually 8 times as fast. So 400% for the forward running clip and -400% for the other clip. Once we have those made, we can copy those a bunch of times. So let's just do that a few times. And then one more time, and now we'll go back in and change the clip speed to 800 and -800. These steps aren't actually necessary to just do boomerang, but it's kind of up to you how you want to take your spin on it. So I'll copy these again, and now we basically have the same clip without the sound that we had in the beginning of this video. So let's go ahead and play it back here. And it gets faster now, and then really fast at the end. So that's basically all there is to doing a simple boomerang effect inside of DaVinci Resolve 14. I hope you found this tutorial to be interesting and helpful. I've been Chris, and I will see you guys in my future video content.